Crypto Market Analysis and Trade Strategy, the New York AM session. Today is July 10th, 2025. Currently, I am watching Bitcoin for a long position, or actually, no, correct that. Let's do this for now. But for now, I'll actually take this off so we're not distracted by it. Just hit target on my previous trade on Bitcoin. I'll go over that in a second. Right now, I either want to see continuation from Bitcoin or a market structure shift here. So what I'm watching for now is here at the edge of this range that was set. You can see that range was swept here, and now Bitcoin will either continue to sell or have sell side delivery for price. With that, I'll extend the Fibonacci range as I just extended it over to here and take it down. What I would also anticipate right now is a potential market structure shift above this level, or currently this candle closes here above this level. Wanting to see candle closure here, which would give a market structure shift here coming into the beginning of the session. And then I would look for potential long positions with this sweep of liquidity here at this level. So I'm just keeping an eye on Bitcoin and go through my trade criteria and see what may potentially set up here, short of a fair value gap and a market structure shift. I would anticipate continuation. You can see that there's an order block here, which this would be the level that would need to be crossed here. But with the current candle in place here, if another candle doesn't close above this candle, then this candle here will be the new level that there will need to be a candle closure above. So either an extension of the trade or a reversal. So as it stands right now, I would anticipate, or I would say I would say there is a higher probability of a reversal, and that's what I am looking for mostly right now, just because there's been a sweep here of this liquidity here right at the beginning of the right here at the beginning of the session here. So I would anticipate some sort of market structure shift with the fair value gap. If that happens, then I'll set up a Fibonacci, wait for pullback, and then take an entry here. So right now, just mostly waiting for a market structure shift with fair value gap. So this is the position that I took during the London session and was able to take profit here just before the New York AM session starts for me. So I took this position here with pullback to the equilibrium point, which is here on the Fibonacci retracement. Put a line up, be easier to see. So basically this level here being the equilibrium of the Fibonacci range here. So my trading system is based off of trading off of this Fibonacci range, and I'm essentially looking for a one-to-one or potentially a little better. In this situation, price action was set up for an OTE, optimal trade entry, with price action selling off and then pulling back into range here. So you can see I'll remove Fibonacci retracement tool here. So we can see price reach the all-time high here, then begin to sell off. We get this fair value gap here, and then we get this swing low, and then that swing low gets violated. So this becomes a market structure shift. This is what I'm looking for to target potential trades, either for continuation or reversal. And price continues down to this level, and then we get continued price action that was being delivered to the buy side and the sell side, but basically just consolidation in this area in the overnight over the course of the Asian session and into Frankfurt and London as well. So with this being the swing associated with the market structure shift, I set the Fibonacci retracement level to this and down to the low here. And as you can see, price comes into the optimal trade entry here between the 62 and 79% level. Taps up into this twice. As I was watching this in the overnight, I wanted to take a position, but am trying to do a better job of sticking to my rule-based system and only trading during the designated session windows. So just watching Bitcoin trade within the optimal trade entry overnight. And then we get into today with here being the London session. And I take a position here short as price trades into this equilibrium level. And then you can see price trades down. We get a market structure shift here at this level in this candle here. Price pulls back and then a sell leg, pull back, another sell leg, consolidation, pull back, and then a flush down here to target, which my target was here, this 110.508 level down here, which was the end of the range here. That was my target. And then we'll go over to my history here for today. And you can see that at 108, I take this sell position, $5 risk, and then you can see here at 743 the buy here, and then for one-to-one collecting $5 here. So $5 risk, $5 reward. So a low risk to reward ratio, but a high probability of a successful trade. So after back testing this particular system over the past 5 days, it was an 80% win rate. So with an 80% win rate, then I would definitely entertain a one-to-one risk to reward criteria. So that was a out of 10 trades between Saturday and Wednesday. So 5 days, averaging about 2 trades a day. Looking at 8 wins and 2 losses. So that got my attention, and this is the 11th trade this week, and the first one that I've actually taken, because this is the first day I'm deploying this system. So currently right now for the week, the win-loss ratio is 11 to 2. Oh no, I'm sorry, 9 to 2. So now over 80% for the week win rate for this system. So not the flashiest or the most technically involved, but my interest currently is with consistency, reliability, and simplicity. I've done plenty of exotic things and lots of bells and whistles and this and that, but at the end of the day, if your account is shrinking or at the very least not growing, then whatever you have going on, I would recommend some reevaluation. But testing this or deploying this new system, keeping size small here, so just a few dollars in the account, but was able to put a few dollars more into the account. So essentially, percentage-wise, being able to increase the account by 25% this morning, or 25% account growth, taking the account from $20 to $25. So with, I'm not sure if my math is accurate, but with $20, $5 would be 25% of $20. So with that increase, I'm just saying there was an increase. Excuse me, an increase of 25%. Which I would assume anyone who would be able to achieve a 25% account gain in a single trade would be absolutely outstanding. I also don't believe anyone or many people would entertain risking 25% of their account getting into a position. But with this small account, it's more about fixed risk right now instead of account percentage. Once my account gets a bit more sizable, then I would look into trading account percent. But right now, if I were to trade, let's say, a 5% of the account, then it would be quite a small number and take quite a lot of time to potentially grow the account. So just taking it with $5 risk currently. But also having an appreciation for the amount of percentage growth. So some people may say, oh, you made $5 in that trade, that's nothing. Yeah, potentially, but $5 adds up over the course of the day and over the course of the week, that being the first trading window of the day, and with two more trading windows, $5 could easily turn into 10 or 15, but even if it stays 5, that's fine with me. That number will change over time, so long as I am consistent. That's another thing about this system that I appreciate, is the fact that let's say simplicity, just having a system to where I'm only looking at, focused on one time frame. Okay. So my level is here. So either this level here gets swept and I look for a long, or if price continues here, I'm not going to touch it just based off of the location here. So the only thing I would be looking to trade here, I believe, would be along, let me see here. So I would want to see OTE, but the OTE came here during the London session. So right now, just talking through what I'm seeing here, this is a new system, so I've not seen everything that the market has to throw at me. But I wanted to, but basically if price action is extended to the end of a range, I'm going to look for a price to reverse. If prices are trading middle of the range or things like that, then I'm looking for optimal trade entry. So for this, what I would like to see is a sweep here of this liquidity. And then price action to deliver to the buy side and form a fair value gap. This would be a signal for me to go long. Another thing that I'm observing with this system is the trades tend to be for the session. Either trades are realized, either stop out or take profit, either in the same trading window, or in the same trading session, or in the following session. So seeing this trade here take place during the London AM session, and then take profit being reached just before the start of the New York AM session for me. So just based on how these sessions are organized, understanding that these trades will likely extend into the next session. Price action consolidating here around the 110, 700 level. So I've been experimenting with different trading methodologies, and looked at some higher time frame trading methodologies, and just came to the conclusion for the 18th time that holding positions like overnight or many different things are just not my style of trading. I am an intraday trader, and now currently using a variation of the ICT Silver Bullet trading methodology. Okay, and that's another thing with this, like understanding that, or at least I would say with this price action here, I want to see a sweep of this level. But if there's not a sweep and there's a market structure shift, then I'm going to count this as the sweep here. But ideally, I want to see this swept. And again, if it's swept and there's continuation, I'm just going to follow price action with the Fibonacci tool until there is a market structure shift. So you can see all of this internal shifting here, but the overall or higher time frame price action is what I'm using to control here. So I want to see this level be violated, then price action to decide what it wants to do. And I want to see these things occur just before a trading window opens. But essentially, I want to see price action being delivered from one end of the price delivery range to the next, and the only way I can get an idea of what that is just by observing price action with these time and algorithm based price delivery. So using the silver bullet methodology to structure my trading sessions and just my trading overall, having clear windows and having clear expectations and also having high or higher probability of success. So I can say this current methodology I'm having an appreciation for. Looks like potentially maybe trying to put in a market structure shift here. Zoom in a bit closer. So what I'm seeing here with this wick here is price reacted, came up, tested this fair value gap here, this double top, which I believe is going to be targeted here, and then put in a new level here, a new swing level here. So swing high here, this double top here with the fair value gap, and now we're having higher highs here, and now we're getting this candle. If this candle can get a close above here, then that would be the market structure shift I was looking for. Then I would set Fibonacci here and set up for the next trade. And as you can see, it's also trading above this level here with the fair value gap. But it's going to have to close above one of these two levels for a market structure shift to be valid here. So now I'm going to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool up here. And either look for a close above this candle or this wick here, or close above this double top here that has the fair value gap. Either one would facilitate a market structure shift. And if that is the case, then I'll pull up a long order and submit an order for long with an entry here at the equilibrium, a stop loss back here at the swing low, and target the swing high here. So less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle, and we'll see if we get a market structure shift or if we'll wait for the next candle. I'm going to pull up an order form here, start putting some numbers in just in case we get some volatile price action here. And still no closure above, so still waiting here. And our numbers may jump around as price is delivered here. So the stop loss is going to stay the same. 4320. Okay. Limit. Also like to go ahead and get these things ready because Bitcoin can be quite volatile at times, and if you get caught unprepared, things will happen without your involvement. And price being delivered to the buy side here, getting some displacement above this fair value gap area. Target will be changing, entry will be changing, stop staying the same here. So we get a closure above this level or this level here, above here or here, in for a market structure shift. So if price holds here or continues, then that will be achieved. 111.75.3. 111.87.9. 760. Okay. Let's see if we can get a closure above one of these candles here. I'm putting in for a 1-to-1, $5 risk, $5 reward here. Take profit is inaccurate. This is 97, needs to be 87. Okay. Getting some consolidation here in this candle. Price trading now around the 111,000. Just consolidating here near this price. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. And if this candle closes as is, then we will be able to confirm a market structure shift. Then it's just a matter of if price pulls back to equilibrium for a potential entry. But very nice looking displacement here and potentially a market structure shift. Price still consolidating here around the 111.20 level. Now trading near the 111.50 level. Now we have a confirmed market structure shift. I'm going to put the order in here. If we put in a new high, then I will adjust the order accordingly. But just in case price does not, we'll go ahead and lock the order in now. So order here at equilibrium. If price continues to be delivered to the buy side before any pullback, I will extend the range and also adjust the order as price is doing now. Price being delivered to the buy side here with speed and breaking through another level for market structure shift on a higher time frame potentially. Move this level up. Now looking at 111.168.2. And more buy side delivery here. That's the previous equilibrium level there. $111.172.4. $110.8023. Okay. Lower my size here. And the order is in. If price holds as is and does not put in a new high, then this order will stand and I will wait for pullback back to equilibrium. If displacement continues to occur, then I'll adjust the order accordingly. Price trading near the high of the current range. And testing the high of the current range again. And new highs being put in here. More buy-side price delivery here with speed. So it's looking like for this market structure shift is happening on a higher time frame. Looks like this swing high here may get closed above here. More buy-side delivery with speed here. So you can essentially see the sell that took place from the London session now being reversed. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current candle. 111,237.7. $110,834.9. And new high for this 5-minute candle here. And more buy-side delivery here. Maybe Bitcoin won't stop today. $111,273.1. Now getting some sell side delivery here with speed. 110,852.6. And lower my size a bit here. More sell side delivery with speed here. New 5-minute low. So this candle now has engulfed the previous candle, extending above and below the range of the previous 5-minute candle. More sell side delivery here with speed. Price reacting around the 110,900 level. Now, even though it's late, fair value gap here. Fair value gap here. So this reaction here coming off of this fair value gap, which would be a valid place to go long. Actually, it may be the valid place to go long. I missed this swing here. adjust this order. 110, 926, 2, stop loss 110, 5793, 79.3. Almost made this error here in how I want to take trades here based on the swing associated with the fair value gaps here. So almost missed an entry as this just reacted just before hitting the fair value gap. So this could have led to a missed trading opportunity. This could also lead to a failed trading opportunity, but I want to look for the swing that's associated with the fair value gap, and this would be the swing instead of the overall swing here, with this low being 582.5 and this low being 579.3. So this being the swing low here associated with this bullish fair value gap. So I want to put my stop below this swing here. And as you can see, accordingly, target stayed the same. I had to adjust my stop and adjust my limit entry. Obviously, price can still continue and come down here, but if this fair value gap is valid, price will not violate this area. Some people may put a stop back here behind this, behind the fair value gap candle in order to get a better risk to reward. I'm just preferring to use the swings here. And price is consolidating here and approaching my target entry, and now I have entry and price still being delivered to the sell side through the entry. And some reaction here at the 62% level. The entry level was 110.926.2, and I was able to get in fill at 110.921.5. Still further sell side delivery here. Price approaching the 70.5 level. More sell side delivery with speed. Price at the 79% level and reacting there. Price still reacting around this 79% level. More sell side delivery here. Price still consolidating around this 79% level. Some buy side delivery now. Price consolidating here near the in between the 110.720 and 110.750 levels. More sell side delivery, 110.700 level. Price testing the low of candle number 2. And price trades through the low of candle number 2. Price reacting and buy side delivery. Price now trading 110.750. 110.780. Price consolidating between the 110.750 and 110.780 levels, also in conjunction with the 70.5 optimal trade entry level. Buy side delivery, price testing the 110.800 level, 110.820. New 5-minute candle, more buy side delivery, 110.850. $110.800, sell side delivery. Price consolidating here around the 110.800 level. $110.880, $110.900. Price back at break even at the equilibrium, $110.920. Price consolidating around the 110.900 level, 110.950, 110.920. check on this noise outside my door. It's either a motorbike or maybe I'm having water delivered. We've not had water in a while. Nope, just a neighbor idling their motorcycle. Alright, 110,950. Potentially a new 5-minute high in this candle. Previous 5-minute high 110,974.9, so a 110,975, and there'll be a new 5-minute high. Price consolidating here and some sell side delivery after reacting, after getting close to that level. 110,975, 110,970.3, consolidating here. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle.